Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a wall in Planner 5D. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in planner5d.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Planner 5D if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side, we have the products, the resources, the enterprise, and the pricing. Also in the top right corner, we have, of course, that you can see your notifications and everything about your profile. But guys, now let's see how you can actually go and delete a wall in Planner 5D. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, go to a project. So you can create a new project or you can go through an existing project. Let's for instance go to this apartment. Then on the left side of the screen, you will see a couple of tools, 7 of them. Where you need to click on is the build tool, which has a house and is underneath the search tool. Click on there and click build walls. After you go and build a wall, you can go click on like this and build a wall. So now we have a built wall. Just a second. As you can see, we have a built wall here and another one here. Now how you can delete it? Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to go and click on here and click delete. So not on the wall like this. It'll get you some other options, but on the edge of the wall and click delete. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.